Hey guys, it's Faye and this is Day with Faye. Today I'm bringing you yet another INH hair haul. All my other INH hair hauls are in the description below in a playlist if you want to peruse around there. I'm going to be reviewing the Kacey ponytail, whoop, whoop, and I'm also going to be reviewing the Jules Wig, the Remy Lux hair extensions, 22-inch I believe, and the Lily ponytail. My hair is dark brown. You can get your hair color match. Just DM them on Instagram. They're gonna get back to you soon. Highly recommend doing that. So I'm actually gonna be filming this on 2 separate days. I think that my package is gonna come in a little bit late tomorrow. So I kind of wanted to just get the ball rolling and just do the extensions first. So first up, we're gonna do the Remy Lux extensions. Now I have curly hair, as we can see. This is day 2 hair for me. It's not as coiled up as it is on day 1. So I curl my extensions to basically match the texture of my hair. So I'm going to show you guys a little mini tutorial on how to do that if you're interested. If your hair is more coiled up and curly than mine, then just break them into smaller sections and I think you should be good to go. And just rinse and repeat, keep doing that until you get the desired curl pattern that you want. So I'm going to show you guys how I curl my hair extensions. You guys can definitely just skip to this and that takes you past the little extensions.
First, we start with these beautiful straight extensions. Spray a heat protectant of your choice and brush the hair. I also like to put the extensions on some pant hangers for stability. I then take about 1/2 inch of a section and curl it with my 1/2 inch curling iron.
Sweet like candy, cocoa, mango, cherry. Dream it, real life, I might stay. Oh wait.
I hold it for about 30 seconds and then I let the hair go. After that, I lift that section and wait for it to cool in my hand. Once I'm done with the whole entire extensions, I finger comb the curls and gently pull down on the curls as well. And that's it.
I might take a little moment to Bahama for the vacay. Start the guala every time a celebration. Do you never doubt it? Always thought that I'd taste it. Holla, hallelujah, thank you, Jesus, we gon' make it. Drop.
Alright guys, so now y'all know how I do it. Also, something to note is that these are going to be lighter than any ponytail that you get from INH hair. The reason being is that the INH hair ponytails are synthetic hair, so it's different material than from the Remy hair. So the difference between synthetic hair and the Remy hair is that synthetic hair is going to be darker shade than the Remy hair. You also can't heat your synthetic hair. If you do, it's just pretty hard to go back and be reversed, whereas with this you can do whatever you want. It's really hard to dye synthetic hair. I'm not saying it's impossible, it's just not as easy as Remy hair. So because of that, it's gonna be more expensive than synthetic hair. That's why synthetic hair has a cheaper price point. I think that with hair extensions, it's good to have real hair versus synthetic hair just because you can do so much with it and you don't have to tie yourself down to having, oh, straight hair or curly hair. You could do you, essentially. So first off, with these extensions, you're gonna wanna have a lower part, which I like to divide right here at the ears. So I'm gonna go all the way back, and then I'm gonna put my hair up in this little hair clip that I got, I don't freaking know where. It's probably like a million years old. So I'm gonna say right now that I don't use all 10 pieces because my hair is really short and I don't really have a lot of volume right now to do that with. So first off, before I put any of the hair on, I wanna talk about the little mechanism. Personally, I thought extensions difficult, right? I never even thought about them because I was like, I'm not gonna do that, this is so hard. These are clip-in extensions, which just literally, you pop them open, little ASMR for you guys, and then you put them just a little bit below your hairline. Start with the middle one because then it'll be much more straight and secure, and then just, yo, that's it. If you know how to put in clips in your hair, you know how to use this. So everybody puts on hair extensions a little bit differently. This is how I do it. There are 2 3-pronged extensions in this. One is longer than the other. So just take that to note. I'm going to use the longer one. Also, I will say that this is not a perfect hair color match for me. My hair color really matches the dark brown color of the synthetic hair, but not with the human hair. So it's like a slight difference. I don't know if you'll be able to tell on camera, If it bothers me that much, I'm going to get them professionally colored because I don't trust myself around coloring my hair. I used to do it back in the day, and girl, I swear I messed up my hair. So I'm gonna get them professionally done because these are an investment piece and I don't want to ruin them by messing up the color. And also I feel like color matching to your hair is such a exact science when it comes to actually like dyeing your hair. So here's my line. Excuse me if it's not perfectly straight. I'm gonna start with the middle, clip, and then the other two pieces. I like this size there because I feel like this is what my head length is between my ears. Next, we're going to unclip our hair. I'm going to divide it like pretty much in this area and go to the back that way. Okay. Sorry if I look off to the side, I'm using the viewfinder as a mirror, which is super hard to do because it's so tiny. Okay, so for this next part, I'm gonna use the 4-piece. Like how there were 2 3-prong sides, there's also 2 4-prongs as well. So you have this one and this one, and one of them is longer. So I'm gonna do the shorter one. And again, play with them. Usually you wanna do 3 prongs at the bottom and then 4 of some sort, some size. I'm gonna clip them on, starting with the 2 middles, and then these 2. Okay, so this is for the back of my hair. Okay, so next I'm gonna take these 2 pronged extensions, put them here on my hair, but I'm gonna let my hair down a little bit. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more hair on this side and a little bit more hair on this side. So for this side, because I am gonna part it such this way, I wanna make sure I have enough hair to cover my extensions, so you don't want it to miss that much. So I'm just going to put that in there real quick and put my 2 here. Okay. And this is why I chose this shorter 4-prong length versus the longer one, because if I did the longer one, these would have run into each other, and you don't want your extensions to do that. And I'm gonna take this other 2-prong thing and put it on this side. Yeah. So now I have this whole mess of hair, which again, make sure I put some to cover the extension on the left so that it blends in naturally. So then you have these 1 pieces. I have 4 of them because they give you a sampler one and you get to keep it. And I kind of just put it where I feel like it needs a little extra TLC. Again, like I said, you don't want them to intersect with your other extensions, so make sure that they're by themselves. I'm gonna add some right here. I'm gonna put 2 of them there just because, like I said, my hair is gonna be parted to the side. It acts as if it's like a 2-pronged one, but it's not, you know. Girl, we got volume. We are feeling mermaid waves, girl. I am noticing that I do have a little bit of a blunt cut right here, so I think I'm gonna put a 1-piece right in this section. Okay, so I'm editing right now and I realize I definitely have room for 3 prongs here. So if you're watching this, take the smaller extensions that are 3-prong and put that there. I would do this right now, but my hair really needs to be washed. So just trust me, it's gonna be better that way versus the 1.
Stay prayed up daily.
Okay, so one thing that I am noticing is that I feel like I might need to color these extensions to match my hair just a little bit because I feel like it would be super seamless. I don't think it's necessary, but I definitely feel like it helped. But it looks so cute. So that being said, I definitely give these Lux extensions a 5 out of 5. I highly recommend them, and if you're scared because you have curly hair, I really think that if you use the curling iron, super inexpensive, I feel like you can match them pretty well. It's just gonna take a little bit of effort on your part trying to find your exact curl pattern because everyone's curl pattern is different. Some people are tighter, some people are looser. Looser curls you have, the easier it's going to be, the tighter the curls. the more annoying. But I highly recommend them. I love them. They feel so good. I think that once I get them professionally colored to match my dark ass hair, it's going to be beautiful. Next up, we're going to be doing the Lily ponytail.
That's why I stay prayed up daily. Drive me crazy. I can't stay away. Sweet like candy. Cocoa, mango, cherry. Dreaming real life.
Okay, so this is the Lily ponytail. Again, my hair is in dark brown. I think that this is such a cute little ponytail. It's like the Bella ponytail and the Brit ponytail had a baby, and that is the Lily ponytail. It's extremely lightweight because it's short, but I think I like the little curl at the bottom of the ponytail. I think it's really sweet and playful and flirty. At least that's the kind of vibe. Again, it's super fun to just shake your head. It does not leave my head, so as long as you put it on securely. If you guys want an in-depth tutorial on how I put on INH hair ponytails, comment down below, I got you. I do not straighten my hair. I used to do that at the beginning, but girl, that's time consuming. So the way that I do it works perfectly for me. I give this hair ponytail a 5 out of 5. INH has done it again. They are basically kings in their ponytails. I think that if you have any issues with that, it's really a matter of not really knowing how to use them. I think that this ponytail feels really nice. Now, it's not going to be as like silky feeling as the Remy extensions because again, this is synthetic. The price point is a lot lower than it would be if this ponytail was, you know, human hair, but I think that for synthetic hair, girl. Next up is going to be the Kacey ponytail. So this is modeled after Kacey Musgraves, which if you have not heard of her, girl, listen to her latest album. Girl, I cried at her concert. Best concert I've ever been to in my whole entire life. #1 concert. She sings so good live. I could talk about her forever, but I know that this is an INH hair review, not a music Kacey Musgraves review, but seriously, go listen. So good. Let's see it on.
Look like art. Look like art. Looking like blessings coming my way. Wake up every morning like it's Friday. No, don't be looking at me sideways. You can get your friends, it's a party. All these girls here indie. Happy rest still indie.
So basically the Kacey ponytail comes with this rainbow tinsel if you get a dark hair ponytail. If you get one that is blonde in color, it's going to be silver tinsel. And I think that that was a good choice for the color because I think that this rainbow color looks absolutely stunning on dark hair. I was mixed a little bit about how I was going to feel about this on, but I feel like I'm ready to own this stage and just live my concert dream. I'm trying to do more open mic nights and, you know, we'll see if that happens anytime soon, but if it does, I'm definitely going to be wearing this baby. It definitely feels basically just like the Mia plus the tinsel. So, but you want to be careful when you do take care of this ponytail. You want to section off the tinsel away from the hair and brush the hair, the non-tinsel part. That's super important so you don't pull out any tinsel. And remember, when you do any brushing, you always want to hold the base and like don't force anything. So this ponytail, so beautiful and I love it. But anyways, I give this ponytail a 5 out of 5. It's definitely different and I love it. And it's good to have her festival season whenever that comes back. Next up is the Jules Wig.
Yeah, I don't like to do that much explaining and talking. Just know she had coffee with me, yeah. I hear you like pizza and dancing. Love that is not that romantic, yeah. I don't have no time for no antics. Smile.
Okay, so when I first put on this wig, I actually put it on wrong because I forgot that it's basically a parted instead of in the center. So I had it this way and I was like, girl, why is this so much longer than this side? Something is off. It's really interesting too though because there's this very light blonde piece here and there is a light on the edges here. but I think it's a cute, like, stylistic choice. I really did not know how I was gonna think about this wig on me. Like, it's still something to get used to. This is like ombre, but real talk. It's cute though. I don't know, it's just a different vibe than any other INH hair wig that I'm used to, but I think I really like it, and I think I would pair this maybe with like a sweet little dress. Honestly, give this wig a 5 out of 5. It's definitely between a 4.5 and a 5, but I give it a 5 because it is different. I like the vibe to it, and I think it's a really cute curly little bob. So that concludes my INH hair haul. I hope you guys found it really informative, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. I always genuinely appreciate it. And if you haven't already, I would love for you to subscribe. All you have to do is click my face right here, and you can watch some of my other INH hair videos right here, but you can also look at my playlist down in the bio below. I got you guys. I hope you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Bye.